In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made $7,450 in commission just in one single month promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, and in this video I will share with you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn these commissions just by using free traffic. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Okay, click on the first link like this. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up and you will be again to this page. Scroll down and click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you need to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple, will take just few minutes from your time, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Amazon affiliates account dashboard. You should see your promotion tools, reports, your commissions here, summary, bounties, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you should start promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So how we can choose good product? So what you will do, you will go first, if you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on this link over here. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and they will ask you if you want to create personal account or business account. You need to choose Pinterest business account. Okay, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy and simple. After you finish, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend like this. Search for this website. Click on the first link over here. Let me show you. Click on this link, Pinterest trend, and you will be directly in this page over here. So to start promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, we need to see which products are trending, what people are searching for, which product people are searching for on Pinterest. You cannot promote any product that you think it's gonna work, or you think you like it, or people will like it. It doesn't work like this. Okay, you need to choose products that people already are searching for. So go to Pinterest trend, click over here, choose which country you want to target. So for example, I want to target audience from United States. I will click on United States like this. Scroll down and here you go. You should see here top trends in United States this month. This is the product that are trending in United States this month. Okay, we can click here. We have more products. We have summer nails, we have fashion, outfit ideas, and so much more. Dinner ideas, wallpaper, hairstyle, and so we have a lot. Okay, so what we will do, we will scroll down and we have here discover trends in United States. We have more keywords, so we can choose good products from here, products that are trending. So let me see, fall decor, homecoming dress, we have Halloween nails, fall outfit woman. I think this one is good. Guys, let's check this products here, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down and click over here and choose past 3 months like this, and you guys can see that it's keep going up. This keyword is just keep going up. That's really good. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword name, I will copy those keywords, and I will go back to Amazon website. I will click on the search and I will search for this product, this one. Okay, I will search for this one. That's how we can choose product that's gonna work for you and that will help you to earn commissions. You need to use Pinterest trends. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down, you will find a lot of people here, a lot of sellers who provide this product. So you need to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers. So like this one, I think this one is good. You guys can see this one is good. This one has a lot of reviews. This product is for $22. That's really good. I will choose this one. Okay, I will click on this one, this product. So you just need to click on the product that you want to use to promote it on Pinterest. Okay, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Amazon, to your Pinterest, sorry, go back to your Pinterest homepage like this, click on Pinterest here, and click on create pin, and you will be directly in the picture about this product. So just click on this picture like this. We have a lot of pictures here, so I will choose this one. So what you will do, double click on the picture and click on save image. You need to save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save, go back to Pinterest, go to your Pinterest account and click over here and upload this picture about this product, this one. Okay, click on open, and here you go. So what you will do next, you need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So go back to this Amazon product page and copy this title. I will copy this part. This title is so much long, so I will copy just this part to show you guys how we can do it. Put this title here, description, go back to this Amazon product page, scroll down, you should see here about this item. This is, click on see more. This is your description, this is your product description. I will copy this part, go back to Pinterest and put this description here, and here you need to put your affiliate link. So go back to this Amazon product page. You should already create your Amazon affiliate account. You should already have an Amazon affiliate account, so you can start seeing like this bar over here, so you can get your affiliate link, Amazon associate site Stripe. So what you will do, just click on text, and here you go. This is your affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link, go to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board. You just need to click on create a board and give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one and scroll down, and you need to put here keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend. Okay, let me show you. So let's go back to our Pinterest trend account and copy this Pinterest trend account, this, and copy those keywords like this. Copy this one, scroll down, and you have here related trends. You have more keywords that you can use. Copy all those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy, guys. This will be your product picture, this is your Amazon affiliate link, and this is your title and your description. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. That's how we can choose a good and profitable product that people are searching for. Use Pinterest trend, see which products are trending, start promoting those products that are trending, see the graph. If the graph of those products is keep going up, start promoting those products, double what's working, avoid what's not working, and that's how we can start making a lot of commissions and increase your commissions and start making like those commissions every single month. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.